Django 1.5 Git 404 on static files. I need a little help with this. I've been searching for a solution with no results. These are my settings, settings.py. Installed apps. Running with debug equals true. As a special mention, I'm running Django 1.5.1 and Python 2.7.5 in a virtual env. I do not know if this configuration is causing the problem. Any help would be appreciated. Thanks. Edit: when I off virtual env and install proper version of Django and the project's dependencies, my project works well, without any issue. Statics are shown as it should.
For hours and hours of searching for any solution, finally I found that this problem is a bug. This URL. I'm not sure if this bug is by Django or Python. My Django version is 1.5.1 and Python is 2.7.5. I would need to proof in previous Django and Python version to see if bug is present. My setting.py was in debug equals false when I change it to true. The problem has gone, right now in development. I'm not worried about that, but I wait for a patch when my project reach production. Thanks again.
Are you sure your static file _ders is correct? If your settings is like at the moment, the static folder is supposed to be in same level as settings.py. My normal settings.py is a bit different. Apart from that, you need Django.core.context_processors.static as context processors. And enable the URL pattern in urls.py. Hope it helps.
This issue is happening because in non-debug mode static files handler is WSGI as per below code lines, which does not handle settings.static_root path. File location, django.contrib.staticfiles.management.commands.runserver. To fix this, I added one else check as shown in below code and it works fine. Thanks, Gaurav.